Hi there, and welcome back. So in the previous video, there is XFOIL compilation in Linux, so I hope you got all the pointers there. It's very straightforward, but there are a few details that you have to be careful. Here, let me run XFOIL again, just to show you a few things. Very important, feel free to read the source code. You can do small modifications or large, but modification is up to you, so feel free to do that, modify, recompile. But there are a few things that some people ask, okay, how can I do this or change the background? And let me show what I'm talking about. So let me run XFOIL. We just compiled it. Okay, so now let me go and the classical 2412 pbar, and this is what I'm showing you here. It is in paneling. Now this is a panel method. I don't want to go into the theory. You have the video description, you have the link to the previous playlist and so on. And some people say that, okay, you have this black background, how can I change this? And even if you go, let me go here, operational mode, open, let me go bis, Reynolds number 1 million, and then alpha 4. You have this background, no black background. How can I change it? So remember, you can go, as I say, you can go into the source code and then modify it, and you will do it if you are. No, you need to be super brave to know a little bit, not where to go, you can do it. But also you have some default options, and let me go and where XFOIL. Okay, so all this plotting, as you can guess, here is the plotlet, the plot library, I guess this stands for. And here you're going to find very likely all the directories. You're going to find some readme files and so on. Let me see if you can see a readme somewhere here. Notes, plotlet, this or is. Okay, here we have the readme. And there you go. You have a few comments, but see that you have this very important one. So to set black and white video, so it's the opposite to what we were seeing, that you have the black background, you just set this variable. So to point out that this is CSARH bash, you want to use the other bash, CSH bash, sorry, you want to use the bash. Basically just take this one and let me go here and I go export paste, and should be no. Okay, I'm still working in XFOIL. Let me get out of XFOIL, export and equal white. Okay, no, right, should be here. So now if I run again XFOIL NACA 2412, and let me go ppart. There you go. You have the white background, black text, and this is it. Okay, and the same will be, let me go open here and let's go viscous mode and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, alpha 6, and there you go. So there you have the problem solved, the black background, and by only setting this flag that you have somewhere, I lost this. Okay, here you have this one. You can do it, but remember, you can go into the source code and set that one, like the text location, this text, the colors, and so on. Everything can be modified in the source code. So take your time, read it. It is up to you if you want to do large modification, Mac buys. If you are not happy now with this graphical interface, just play around here with plotlet. Also, you have many options to save the files in JPEG, but that by default will be in white, if I would recall. But in any case, here you have now the basic instruction. So I only wanted to show you this, how to do this. So yeah, this is it. Probably we're going to create new videos showing more features, but for the moment, yep, we're done here. Thank you for your attention. See you next videos. Bye.